counted me out. They thought it was over, they thought I was finished, dog. Whole city jump behind me, now I get more racks than a tennis ball. And you know ain't no looking back. The streets brought the hustle out of me. I was sick of eating pot of meat. Ramen noodles all through the week. The struggle was ugly. Made something.
YouTube. What it do, man? It's the next day. We out here looking around in Zeus. Gotta move that. Hold on. I'm about to puncture my seat, man. I'm about to puncture that ranch dressing, man. Hell no. Hold on. No. So much stuff in here, man. My truck's starting to smell like a truck. I'm like, BossLady now. I'm smelling smell like some oil or something up in this joint. No, we ain't gonna have that there. We ain't gonna have that. I think it's this rug though that I be changing my oil with. You know, I took it down there so I can lay on. Last time I worked on my truck, worked on my golf cart, so it's still in here. But I got this thing right here. I bought what is called an angle ruler. Bought that junk. That mom about to poke a hole in my seat, man. Hold on, I'm finna show y'all. This joint right here. See, I gotta use this. I got it from Harbor Freight. I'm gonna have to use this when it's time, when I got my suspension and everything right on my golf cart. I use this to do the alignment on it. Yep. Shout out to Golf Cart Whisperer, man. All right, we're gonna lay that. Make sure that's laid flat on the floor now, so we good. Yeah, that mug was up. About to poke a hole in my seat, man. No, sir. We can't be doing that to the ranch dressing, man. But yeah, yesterday, after I left D house, I had came on back to the house, and I didn't take the two wheels down to the storage. So I'm finna take them down there now. They said it's gonna be 60 something today, man. I'm thinking, yeah, but it ain't but 33 now. I ain't even putting no hoodie on. No, I usually have a hoodie on up under this junk. Woo. So if it warm up later, man, I'm gonna jump back down. And I'm gonna jump back down there to the storage for a minute, man, and mess around with my golf cart. At least try to put them leaf springs on the back. So I finna show y'all these wheels, but I don't want to let down my tailgate. I'm too close to this trailer to let it all the way down, but I'll show y'all once we get down to the storage. I'll show y'all that junk. But yeah, just bought two spare rims for BossLady car, man. Yep. Keep it locked, man. Yeah, man, I should have put a hoodie on, boy. Cold out here. 33 degrees. But yeah. Excuse me. Man, it's something y'all gonna hear me talk more about, man. That I've been locked in on here lately. And that's, man, becoming debt free. Becoming debt free, man. That's what I'm gonna be on more, so probably I'll start on the next video. We'll talk about it. And I'll probably talk about it on my live tomorrow night, because I'm gonna take y'all on this journey with me. So I ain't gonna talk about it a lot right now, because this is just the conclusion of the video from yesterday. Just taking these wheels down here and everything. But yeah, man. Yeah, man. Stop and get me an old cappuccino. Man, boss lady went in the garage yesterday. She had to get something out of the deep freezer. She said, man, like this tire on flat. Same back tire on Cayenne. You know, I ain't drove Cayenne in a minute. I gotta look it up. It probably been over a month now since I drove Cayenne. So that same back tire that I took off and took up there, that went down, I know it ain't nothing but this weather and stuff, man. Same old thing. So I aired it up. I aired it up 2 weeks ago. She like, this look like this tire low. So that junk show low, man. It was down to 4 pounds, man. So I put some air in it yesterday. I'm gonna have to be pulling Cayenne out soon. Hell, I might pull Cayenne out tomorrow. Cause it's supposed to warm up pretty good. It's supposed to be like 62 or something tomorrow. When I go work on my golf cart, I might. Man, I don't feel like putting all this stuff in the back of Cayenne though. I might though. I ain't doing nothing else. All my stuff, put it on the back of Cayenne. I don't know. I ain't finna lie. I might just go work on the golf cart, come back, pull Cayenne out and turn a corner. Excuse me. Yeah, therefore all that stuff won't be sliding around on the bed of the truck and all that. Yeah, I'll just do it like that. But I'm definitely gonna pull Cayenne out tomorrow. Turn a corner, man. Get on up early. Hopefully warm up early. Cause I don't want to be laying on that ground and stuff and it's cool. Or I might just make a block in Cayenne early. We'll see. So, like I said, next Friday, not next Friday, but this Friday coming up, got to drop Zeus off at my mechanic so he can pressure test the coolant system, man, make sure I ain't got no leak. I didn't smell it yesterday, but the wind was real high yesterday. So it could be one reason I didn't smell it yesterday, but I didn't. Oh yeah, it's a storage place, man. I'll probably ride by there until I can holler at the people. Until I can holler at the people about my getting my new storage house built. I'll probably go to this new storage facility here. My partner told me about yesterday. It's a new one. And I'm gonna go check them out just so he was like, man, they went up on you again, man. Don't be paying them folks all that money, man. Go find you another storage. Just move the little stuff you got in there, move it to the other storage until you get your junk built. Cause me doing a custom build, I think they said it can take 4 to 5 weeks. Cause I definitely want it like custom built. I want like a 14 by 14 in my junk. So if I get it custom built, it can take 4 to 5 weeks for that process to go through. But you buy one already made, already on display or whatever, that only takes 7 to 10 days to get it delivered. But nah, so I ain't going with the people in Southaven. I'm gonna call the people out in Henderson. Cause talking to my partner yesterday, I didn't know that's where he got his from. And his in Olive Branch. Not in Olive Branch, down in Mississippi. So I think, hell, that's damn near further to go to them than it is to come to me. But they prices, you cannot beat they prices though. So I'll be calling them in the morning, go ahead, getting that ball rolling. But like he was saying, like it might take another month or so. I probably can find a storage same size around here that will be cheaper than what they paying. I probably can find a discount move-in special or something, and get them to go ahead and I can just move the stuff over. It won't take nothing but a trip or two, couple trips to move the stuff that I got. Might take a few trips. I got 2 golf carts. But it won't take a whole lot. Get my wife to come, bring the Yukon, pack the Yukon down. Pack the Yukon down, inside of the truck and the trailer. Yeah, man, I'm gonna do that. Cause these folk busting me up down here. I ain't even finna lie. Can't get debt free like that. Keep it locked, man. Yeah, we down here at the spot, man. Down here at the spot. Finna show y'all these wheels and throw them up. Throw them up in here. And then we're gonna go to the right by this other storage place. It's Sunday. I doubt if they open. But I'm gonna put a reminder on my list to check them out. I wasn't even thinking I should have bought all that Christmas stuff. I should have bought that stuff with me. But yeah. Put these joints up. Yeah, but these some more 19-inch wheels. Just like the one that's on BossLady car. Got them for a good deal, man. You know, they want brand new for an aftermarket one. Man, they want like $2 something a piece for them. Man, we got 4 wheels. They used, but they good used wheels, all 4 center caps. We got 4 of them, man, for $300. Split that, $150 a piece. Can't beat that. That's what I said, man. For the ones that don't have social media, that's on YouTube, and you don't have social media, man, you don't have social media, hey, man, you can find some deals. You got to make that social media work for you. You can use it for the positive, or you can use it for negative, and you get negative. But $300 for these right here, hey, man, the winter chicken dinner. That's what it sounds like to me. So, give me a second. Yes, sir. So neither one of these, neither one of them bent. They got a little curb rash on them. All 4 of them had that. But my boy D, he needed to, cause one of his wheels was bent. He done had it fixed before. And he done had it fixed before. Steady cracking them, you know, steady bending them. So he ended up, he was like, man, I'm gonna buy one. Cause he got a lot of wobble in his steering wheel. Long story short, that fixed his wobble. That fixed it, man. So, like I said, with these Memphis City Street low profile tires, it's bound to happen. And my wife, which is a woman, is driving it, which I gotta give BossLady her credit now. She's very cautious and aware and look out for potholes. I do gotta give her that. But I think us men are more cautious than they are. But I do give her props. You know what I'm saying? I give her props for that. So, man, we finna finish up here. Yeah, man, we finna finish up here. Lock up. Y'all see that suspension put on that thing, boy. I bought a new steering rack. I went ahead and bought a new one of these, brand new. I'm gonna put that on. I bought new tie-in rods. What else? I didn't buy new shocks. I need to buy some new shocks for the front. Slap them shocks on. But that's it. Tie-in rods and the steering rack. I bought that. Boy, gonna be right, boy. Gonna be right. And that's the other one, boy. I'm gonna keep that one low and slow. We just gonna throw a lithium in there. and then some low profile tires, some 14s on low profiles. We gonna keep that joint low and slow. Probably rent it out, man. Might rent it out. Yep. So we done. We done in here. Yes, sir. Keep it locked.